What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're doing another review. Today we're taking a look at the Leatherman Bolster. Let's get all the... Oh, kind of a little messed up about it here, but... Yep, the Leatherman Bolster. That's... So, let's begin. Let's begin with the sheath. The sheath is made out of nylon. Little pocket here with elastic strap for the multi-tool itself. Little button here. Leatherman all around. Rights. Leatherman sewed on right here. And a little belt loop to use it as a belt. Now let's get to the multi-tool itself. So the body itself is made of stainless steel. The blades, on the other hand, made of 420 HC. So let's go talk about the whole thing itself. So we got the main blade. We got the needle nose. Got the needle nose pliers. Got the regular pliers. We got the wire cutters right here. Of course, we got the blade itself, the serrated blade. Got this one's the screwdriver small. Got the file. Got the ruler. Got the supposed bottle opener, can opener, wire strippers. Got a flathead screwdriver and of course a flathead Phillips screwdriver, which that's kind of what it is. So let's go talk about the size itself. Now what is Leatherman Bolster. Got a clip and it says Leatherman on here. So talk about the size itself. So all of its clothes would be around about of 3/4. But deployed of the needle of the entire pliers would be around about 6 inches. But the singular large blade would be around about, or drop point, around about of 2/4. But its overall size would be around about 6.5 inches. So the serrated edge would be around about of 1/3, but the overall size would be around about 5/3. But the file ruler, little Phillips screw or small flathead screwdrivers around about 1 3/4. But on the other hand, the overall size would be around about of 5.5 inches, while the can opener, the bottle opener / can opener, wire strippers would be around about 1.5 inch, while the overall size would be around about of 5/4. Now, on the other hand, on the other side of it, would be around the Phillips or flathead Phillips would be around about of 1.5 inch, while the overall size would be around about 5/4, or just straight 5 inches. While the flathead will also be a little smaller, it would be around about 4/3. So, let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there for the bigger blade, right there, it actually hit there, like, actually took some of the harder plastic, which that was very insane about it here, and did a little cut here a couple times, and it's completely destroyed. But with the serrated edge, look how insane this took. That's crazy to see that. So that's really good. So I'm giving the Leatherman Bolster an astounding of a 9 out of 10. That's a very good multi-tool for what it is. And the thing is, that's not bad for it. So that wraps up the Leatherman Bolster. I'm Artillboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.